Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hard reset your iPad without home button in 2026. So this is the correct way to force restart the newer iPads. You need to simply quickly press and release the volume up button and then quickly press and release the volume down button. Right after that, simply press and hold the top power button. Keep holding the power button until you see the Apple logo appear, and when you see the Apple logo appear, you just have to release it. This particular step is going to force restart your iPad without deleting any of the data. Now, if the reset is not working, your battery might be too low. So you need to first of all plug your iPad into a charger, and then you need to let it charge for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then you need to repeat the same button steps again. Volume up button, then volume down button, and then you need to simply hold the top button or the power button. The low battery can also prevent the device from restarting properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.